I care about the growth of dentists and dentistry, so I have to speak the truth today. Did you know that more than 80% of crowns and bridges produced in the US are metal-free? Then why are we unable to do it in India? It's because of the dentist. It took us many years to change from offering metal crowns to PFM. But now in 2024, India can't wait. At Illusion, we want dentists to be a part of fast-growing India. So as we celebrate our 78th year of freedom, dentists need to free their mind and say no to metal ceramic by offering every patient a metal-free restoration. As a dentist, you know metal-free is one of the best choices for the patient, especially now as there is a very small price difference between a PFM and a metal-free restoration. At Illusion, we have so many dentists who have made a switch from metal ceramic to metal-free restoration and are growing their practices faster than ever. It's time for you to grow now. So when it comes to choosing metal-free restoration, dentists across the world trust Illusion Zirconia. So no confusion, only Illusion.